In this Modern Governor video, we're going to explore how to install the Modern Governor app on an iOS or Android smartphone or tablet and check for any updates to the content within the app. Installing the app is very easy. From within the Apple App Store on the left or the Google Play Store on the right, simply search for Modern Governor, and when you see the distinctive blue and white logo, click to install and download the app. This video is going to explore how to update the content of the app rather than the app itself. You'll very rarely need to install a new update to the app. The content for the blogs within the app will be updated every time you go and look at the blogs. The app will go and fetch the latest posts and pull them down into the app. But the content for the glossary app, plus any new blogs that we add to the app, will need to be updated in the manner that we're going to look at now. Once the app is installed, simply click Open, and you'll see on the home screen that it says Welcome to the Modern Governor Glossary app. That's the only line. This is a sign that this is the very first version of the content. You just need to go and perform a quick update to download the latest version of the content. That's performed by going to the settings screen, which is at the top right of either of the versions of the app. Simply click on the menu button and find your way to the settings screen within iOS and Android, and there's a button that on iOS says Get Updates and on Android says Check Now. On Android you'll also see there's an icon in the notifications area that tells you the notification that something is happening, that the update is happening. On iOS this is displayed on the screen there, but on Android it's in the pull down menu from the top where notifications happen. The first time you do this, this will take a little while because there are a lot of updates between the time that the app was added to the app stores and the time that you're downloading it. The more often you do this, and this will happen automatically as we'll see in a moment, this will be a very, very simple process and very, very quick. Once the updates have happened, you can use the back button on Android or the menus on Apple to get back to the main screen. And once you get back to the main screen, you'll see that the content has been updated. You can see the increased size of the paragraph there, plus the additions to the glossary further down that home screen, and you can browse that to see what they are. You can automate this process by going back into the settings screen and ensuring that the Check for Updates toggle is switched on. This will happen on a weekly basis and will negate the need for you to do this manually, though you can if you wish. The app is free to download from moderngovernor.com/app and features an offline, searchable, cross-reference glossary of educational terms particularly intended for governors, plus a reader of all the good governance blogs. If you've got any suggestions for how we can improve the app or any feedback you'd like to give, then you can simply email to app@moderngovernor.com. If you've got suggestions, we'll do our best to incorporate them into the app.